Usually when we talk about peel, a lot of people get scared because it's not something very comfortable for a lot of people. Same with me. That's when she introduced me to light routine peel. It came as a gift first to the house, and I think this is one of the best products I've used. I'm not very big on using a number of products, but this one little thing changed my life. I remember I had this photo shoot and I finished my shoot in Karaikudi. I came back, I was tanned. My skin texture was really bad, it was very dry, and I had little patches on my skin, and this was there. And that was the first time I was going to use, and I remember asking Dr. Renita, is it okay? And she said, yeah, just try it out. Nothing is going to happen. I'm pretty sure, you'll come out with great results. This really, really helped. It changed the texture a little bit. It gave me a glow. I felt fresh. I remember coming out like I was coming out of like an advertisement or something. Like I felt really fresh and happy and everything. I remember going the next day to the shoot and everybody kept saying, oh, you got a good night's sleep, you look really fresh, you look really happy. And this, I swear, was the reason for all of that.